Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today is November 18th. That's a Sunday, and this would be a review video for next week and a preview video of next week, and what are the things which you should keep in mind. So, 10 key things that will keep the traders busy. And as you would have seen, the Sensex and Nifty gained around 0.9% each in the passing week, and that's driven by sharp correction in crude oil prices, which led to a consequent decline in bond yields and appreciation in rupee against the US dollar. But the border markets underperformed during the week as BSE mid cap index gained 0.36% and small cap fell 1.27%. Now, overall market is expected to continue its run the coming week amid crude and rupee stability, followed by some consolidation, and state elections would be closely watched ahead of the final results due on December 11. So it looks like the index is certainly heading higher, but there will be crucial hurdles, this crucial resistance ahead. And let's see what are the 10 things that will keep the traders busy next week. So the very first thing is RBI board meet. The week will start with the key event, the RBI Central Board meeting headed by Governor Urjit Patel, which is scheduled to be held on November 19th in Mumbai. It will be closely watched by the street due to the report shift between the government and the central bank over certain key issues. So, report suggested that the government, through its board members, is expected to push for ease of norms for lending to the MSME sector, micro, small, medium enterprises. This is very important. And crude oil prices, the second part, the consistent fall in crude oil prices for more than a month has been helping equity market to stabilize from recent volatility and correction from around 10,000 levels. So we have to still keep it in mind, whether because it has fell nearly 5% to 66.76 a barrel in the week gone by, and plunged nearly 23% from 86.229 levels. Another important factor is rupee. The rupee has touched its 2-month high in the week gone by, and since it has also stabilized, Indian equity market has sharply recovered from its low of 10,000. FII's flow was very strong, not only during the week but also in November after sell-off in the past 3 months. So, yes, last week we witnessed strong buys from FIIs, and which actually helped for the Indian stock markets. Earnings and macro data. Earnings season is almost over in the week gone by, but still there are some companies which are yet to announce the results, and about 15 companies which will declare the numbers in coming, which are include DHFL, Religare Enterprises, etc. These are some of the major ones. Technical outlook. After a counterattack of bulls from the low of the previous week, the benchmark index closed at near to high and gave a decisive breakout of the tight range of 10,450 to 10,650. Now it indicates strong bull power on the lower side, and the Nifty 50 has ended the week 97 points higher at 10,682.20, and it forms a hanging man kind of pattern on the weekly chart. So after crossing the near term hurdle of 10,650, the upside is likely to continue, and if the Nifty crosses its 2,200 DEMA, daily exponential moving average, which is placed around 10,000 levels, and there is also a crucial resistance at 10,752 or 754, and if that crosses, then we are looking at more upside in the days to come. Future and options outlook. Maximum call open interest of 34 lakh contracts was seen as 10,800 strike price, which will be a crucial resistance, of course, which is followed by 11,000 and 10,700 strikes. Now maximum put interest was seen at 10,200 strike price, which will assess a crucial support for the November series, followed by 10,500 and 10,400. Now, option band signifies the immediate trading range between 10,550 and 10,800 zones. So as you would see, there are some interim dividends which are due in the coming week. Amaraja Batteries, Gillette India, MRF, Tide Water Oil, some of the major names, Page Industries too. So stocks in focus: PNB, Gills and Siemens, HCL Infosystems, Yes Bank, and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Tata Investment Corporation, Jet Airways. Global Qs are were slightly negative. No, I think the US markets closed on a positive bias on Friday, and but here is outlook for next week. There are some major news from US on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and from European region Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. From Japan, we are looking at information on Monday, balance of trade for October, Tuesday, and Thursday. So these are some key things which you should be watching out in the next week. So that's these are the things which you should keep out in the next 1 week. At this point of time, Nifty and Bank Nifty are in a tight range, and it's a fight between bulls and bears. Be stock specific, at least in the medium term, due to the high volatility. India VIX is still around between 18 and 19, so it's still high, and it can go in either directions. It can easily go to 20, 19, 20 levels again in no time. So be stock specific and stay cautious. So I will give you more updates on my Telegram channel as and when market goes. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and ping me in my Telegram channel, or personal message me on Telegram. You can also comment on the description below on this channel here. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again on my next video.